excited about because this wig is from our good friends over there at Klaiyi Hair. If you're here, please consider subscribing. If you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. Y'all know I upload just about every day, and it's always back and forth between synthetic or human synthetic. But one of the companies that you see I review a lot is Klaiyi. I love them because, you know, there are three markers that I'm always looking for in a wig. Is it affordable first? Is it beginner friendly? And what's the quality? And Klaiyi checks those boxes every time. All I've done was take this out of its shipping packaging because y'all know I like to do everything on camera with y'all. So let's unbox this. Let's talk about the first upgrade that Klaiyi has done. I have been saying that I prefer when wigs come with these storage bags because not only can you store the wig and it is easier to store, you can also put other things in them. So I love that Klaiyi has jumped on board and started making these soft storage bags. Now they do still give us the box. They sent the box too. So if you're somebody that prefers the box, don't worry, you still have the hard box. And when I open that up, it's just stuff, extras falling all out. They do send extras that we actually will use, okay? They sent some press-on nails, some hair clamps that come in a little pouch with their branding on it, some HD wig caps, and an edge band with their name on it. They also have included some wig tape, which I love. I use this on all of my units. And they have included an elastic band. I'm pretty sure we're going to use that, okay? They've also included in here some more tabs, these bye-bye knots tabs that, like I tell y'all, I absolutely love these. I use these on all my wigs whether I'm wearing human or synthetic. If I'm going out, I use these, so I love that. I'm just reading directly off the packaging, but like I said, looking at the description box and you'll see all the details on this wig. This wig from Klaiyi is a 7x5, I love, bye-bye knots wig. It is 24 inches long and it is Yaki straight. So you remember I said I have three things that I'm always looking for in a wig. Affordability. Klaiyi is extremely affordable off the top, but even if you can't pay for it all at once, they have different things like Klarna, Afterpay, all that. So super affordable, beginner friendly, and quality. So let's talk about beginner friendly. I love a 7x5 because I don't have to do too much to that wig, right? Like when you start moving into 13x4, 13x6, you're having to do too much. So for a beginner like me, I'm not a beginner, I've been wearing wigs for 12 years, but for someone who can't comb hair, a 7x5 works for me. Ooh, y'all, look at that. That is so freaking pretty. Let's look at this cap construction. So, of course, you get that 7x5 parting space. Like I said, that's more than enough for me. I can pull some half up, half down. I could do a lot of things and not have to have a 13x6. They have also included a adjustable glueless band. And then in the back, we have adjustable straps and a comb as well. Something else that Klaiyi has been doing to their wigs that I really appreciate is they have been making these little cutouts right where your ear is so that the wig fits more comfortably on your head. And so I do love that. Between the ear cutout and this adjustable band, these wigs are bomb.com. What I'm gonna do, because this won't take long at all, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this wig on my head. See, look, everything's been done. I'm gonna put this wig on my head, probably run a flat iron through it, give you a 360, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. You guys, be right back.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes always shade blood burning. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing. What I miss, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to be. Brown sugar. Close to me, you love me right down to my knees, and whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I get high off the love, don't know how to behave.
I'm back to my final thoughts on this wig, and just like with every single wig I get from Klaiyi, this one is a winner. So again, y'all know I'm always looking for 3 things in a wig: affordability, beginner friendliness, and quality. This is one of the most affordable human hair wig companies on the market. Like I said, even if you can't pay all up front, they have payment options. It is extremely beginner friendly because I cannot comb hair. All I had to do was take this out of the pack and I ran a flat iron through it haphazardly. Quality is top notch. This is one of the prettiest Yaki straight wigs that I've ever reviewed. It's just really gorgeous, and I love the density on this one as well. This one is a winner. Recommend this one from Klaiyi Hair. Yes, in that description box I'll put a direct link to this wig as well as the details, but I encourage you to play around on their site because at this point I have this wig in different lengths. I have this, I want to say a 14. I might even have a 12. Like, I have it in different lengths because that's how much I love this throw and go wig from Klaiyi Hair. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me what your thoughts are. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.